Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are a regular here, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about this little cutie, the Cosmetic Pouch from Louis Vuitton. This is the PM size. If you watched my last unboxing video, I did a double unboxing, and spoiler alert, I'm going to share what was in those boxes. I shared the Louis Vuitton 19 sized toiletry pouch, and I also shared the GM sized cosmetic pouch, which is substantially larger. I have to give you a quick update. Since filming that video, it's been, I don't know, just a few days now. I have gone ahead and returned the GM sized cosmetic pouch because it was not serving a purpose for me. I had intended to put my backup makeup in there, like all of the makeup I don't use on a daily basis. The pieces of makeup or the products that I use for just like special occasions, date nights, that sort of thing that I don't regularly access, I was going to put in the GM size pouch. I have them all in here. This I had shown in my unboxing video, I believe. This is a pretty old, maybe about 10-year-old, massive Tory Burch makeup bag, and it holds so much, and it has held up beautifully, and it is very durable and wipeable, so easy to clean. It's not even full, it's like halfway full, but I have a bunch of stuff in here, like I said, that I don't access on a daily basis, and I was going to see if I could move all of this into the GM size cosmetic pouch so that I could have this sort of like pretty set, you know, this one and then the bigger one. But it became very apparent to me that all of the pieces that I have in the Tory Burch pouch would not fit inside the GM cosmetic pouch. So I did say goodbye to it and I returned it. So it's on its way back to Louis Vuitton. So I just wanted to quickly update you. Now, why don't these fit as much as I thought? Well, let me tell you. It's a beautiful shape. As you can see, it's got this lovely half moon shape, which I think is really, really feminine and very pretty. It has like a soft look to it. It's got these diamond vachetta tabs on the side, but because it is this unique shape, you can see it tapers off at the top. So you really cannot fill it all the way to the top because then the zipper gets a bit wonky. So I'm going to show you in this video what I am currently using this for, what makeup essentials I am carrying in here, and then I will also show you, I'll take all those out and I'll show you how you might be able to use this as like a mini little grab and go if you're just running errands. I have heard that some people use this as like not a clutch, but you know, just a little pouch that you could just run around with. Similar to the Toiletry 19. Give you a quick size comparison here. I know some people just grab and go with this. I have been using the 26 as a clutch as well. So I'm going to show you makeup essentials that fit and then just like daily essentials as well. Okay? So let me let me show you the inside first. It has this beautiful kind of like beige cream colored wipeable interior. So if you get any spills or stains, you can easily wipe it. It's got this one open slit pocket. And then here it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Okay. So first let me show you my makeup products that I use on a daily basis. I've got my Chanel blush. I've got my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. I've been using this for so many years. It's like my go-to. Very easy. It has SPF already in it, so it's like the one thing I put on after toner and moisturizer in the mornings. Sometimes I will use some powder. This is from Bare Minerals. Here's my powder brush. It's a kabuki brush. So you can see what it looks like so far. Here's my Dior lip glow. Show you really quickly. It's a very popular product. Super, super moisturizing. I really enjoy this. This one here is my absolutely favorite brow pencil from Benefit. It's called the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I don't know if you can see that because of the sunlight coming through, but it is goof proof for real because it's got the pencil on one side, and then it has this really nice brush on the other. So if I draw or I fill in my eyebrows and then I just brush it, it just kind of fills it out very, very nicely without me having to overthink it or be, very careful. So that is one of my favorite products. And yes, it does fit lengthwise, even in the smaller pouch. And then I have my tweezers. Then I have my eyelash curler. I might have to shimmy this around a bit. And then I have this mascara. I'm not actually familiar with this brand, but my mom got this for me for my birthday last year. Holly Pop. She said that this mascara does not run and it wouldn't give me raccoon eyes. So she got this from a Korean beauty shop. I don't know where, but I'm sure you can look it up if you're interested. It's good for Asian eyes because we don't have necessarily the longest or lush lashes, but this does its job and it doesn't rub off. Okay, so I'm going to close this up. This is how it looks. It's a decent amount. If you wear a lot of makeup, this might be too small for you, but if you wear just, some basic makeup products on a daily basis, this should be fine. I went on a short trip recently, and I brought this with me. That was my first sort of experience, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, otherwise I'm leaving it on my vanity just to use in the mornings. I don't usually carry my makeup around on a daily basis because I don't usually reapply. Whatever goes on my face in the morning is what it is for the rest of the day. So yeah, let me quickly show you a comparison with the mini pochette, because I know many of you are familiar with the mini pochette. I usually carry this around in all of my bags, or even my mini bags. It tends to fit in most of them, and it has a bunch of knickknacks in here, and usually I will just carry one lip product, and that's about it in terms of makeup. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful to see. Let me take all of this out and show you how you can use the pouch as a kind of like grab and go instead of for makeup, because I do think that the beauty of these products is that they are more versatile. A lot of the SLGs from Louis Vuitton are quite versatile. Okay, so there you have it. I'm going to now show you some non-makeup products. Here's my iPhone 7 Plus case, and lo and behold, it does fit. I did not think it would fit, but it does. If you have a really clunky phone case that's really, really, really thick, or if you have a larger phone, then you might have a difficult time, but this one, as you can see, fits quite nicely. Here, if I wanted to add my Chanel card holder, just plop that in there. So far, so good. Here is my Louis Vuitton Key Pouch, which I am loving, by the way, guys. This is also a newer edition. This is my second time around with a key pouch because the first one didn't work out. This one is a made in France. It's beautifully crafted, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm taking my daughter for her annual doctor appointment this afternoon, and so I have our insurance cards in here and our Health Flex, spending debit card and my keys, and it's just perfect. So let's put that in there. I will put in a lippy. I've shown this before. I love, love, love this product from Givenchy. Such a pretty case. So I can stand that up. And then, to my surprise, I can't fit my Louis Vuitton sunglasses because they're quite wide and they fold up in a way that's like flat and wider. But these are just some cheap sunnies, and I still have to order the soft case, by the way. I should do that today while I remember. But you can see they fit. So, and they're kind of large sunglasses. They're not dainty sunglasses. So if you have sunglasses like this that are kind of like medium sized, they should fit. Yep. So look at that. It's actually pretty tidy. if you wanted to use this as a little pouch to run around with errands. But now you see what's happening here? This is what I was talking about earlier. If you overstuff it, or you've got oddly shaped items or what have you, then the zipper can get a little bit wavy and wonky. And I noticed that when I tried to put some items in the GM size before I returned it, and I was like, okay, forget it, it's not gonna work. So this, you'd probably have to shimmy some stuff around. Maybe it's the sunglasses. Let's see. Okay, that's better. There's no wonkiness now. But yeah, you can definitely carry this as a clutch. Now, I am much more of a fan of carrying this baby here. Well, it's not a baby, it's like a big mama jama. This one here as a clutch because it fits literally everything I need it to fit, including my larger Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I could also even put my mini pochette in here. I mean, this thing is big, big, big. I'll do a follow-up video showing what I carry in here and just do some size comparisons as well. This one, I was very skeptical, as you know, but I have found a use for it as well. I'm going to actually use this one today. So I'm really excited about that. So yes, I am keeping her, or him. I feel like it should be a him because of this thing. I know, I'm so childish. Oh, I've got some junk in there. I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff in here and use it today. Okay. So hopefully that was helpful, you guys. I really love this pouch. I am definitely using it as a cosmetic pouch, but as you can see, it can serve multiple purposes and it is very versatile. So if you have been eyeing this piece, I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. It would really mean a lot to me. And again, if you are new to my channel and you enjoy this type of content, I would love for you to join. I would love for you to consider subscribing. I will do lots more fun videos coming up soon, so stay tuned. Bye-bye.